does a superbike look like when it decides to go off-road? Imagine taking the razor-sharp design of an MV Agusta F3, the soul of a racing triple, and wrapping it in adventure bodywork, then giving it 210 millimeters of suspension travel, proper luggage, and 124 horsepower. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 MV Agusta Enduro Veloce, quite possibly the most stunning, emotional, and desirable adventure motorcycle ever created. This is not another German-style adventure tourer. This is Italian art that can actually get dirty. In this full review, we're diving deep into the design, the screaming 931cc triple with counter-rotating crankshaft, the new 2026 updates, the electronics, the ride experience, and whether this $15,998 machine is worth the hype. Buckle up. This one's special. From the first glance, the Enduro Veloce stops people in their tracks. Designed at MV Agusta's Centro style in Varese, this motorcycle is pure emotion-made metal. The compact, aggressive tail section contrasts beautifully with the sculpted, aerodynamic front end. A tinted windscreen cuts through the air while protecting the rider, and the bodywork flows like it was carved by hand rather than pressed by machine. Every panel, every line, every surface has been obsessively refined. The front mudguard and side air extractors weren't just styled. They were developed through hours of wind tunnel testing and real-world simulation to optimize cooling, reduce turbulence around the helmet, and maintain stability even when fully loaded with luggage. For 2026, MV Agusta added two stunning new color schemes, Nero Intenso, Grigio Anthracite, dark, menacing, and aggressive. This is the Assassin version. Bianco Perlato RC Blue Nordico, elegant pearl white with deep blue accents that scream Italian luxury. This is what happens when fashion house design meets off-road capability. It doesn't just look fast. It looks like art you're allowed to ride through a mountain pass at 200 kilometers per hour. For years, MV Agusta made beautiful bikes that enthusiasts loved, but complained lacked practical equipment from the factory. In 2026, the brand listened. The Enduro Veloce now comes loaded as standard with aluminum side boxes with serious luggage capacity, center stand for easy maintenance and parking, robust protection bars, LED fog lights for bad weather visibility, Bridgestone Battlecross AT41 Adventure tires, excellent on both pavement and dirt, and perhaps most importantly, MV Agusta now backs every Enduro Veloce with a full 5-year factory warranty. This is a massive statement. A 5-year warranty on an Italian performance motorcycle signals extreme confidence in their 100% made-in-Italy production quality. It gives buyers real peace of mind. At an MSRP of $15,998, the 2026 Enduro Veloce is arguably the best value MV Agusta has ever offered. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the engine. This is a 931cc inline 3-cylinder, developed and built entirely in Varese. It weighs just 57 kilograms, incredibly light for its output. The headline technology is the counter-rotating crankshaft. This isn't marketing speak. It actually cancels out the gyroscopic effect of the front wheel, making direction changes lightning fast. This is technology trickled down from MV's racing program. Performance figures are serious. 124 horsepower at 10,000 RPM, 102 Newton-meters of torque at 7,000 RPM. 85% of that torque is already available at just 3,500 RPM. This means the bike is both explosive at the top end and incredibly usable in technical off-road sections or tight mountain roads. The engine is remarkably smooth thanks to a countershaft that kills vibration. Operating temperatures are well controlled. The double overhead camshaft uses DLC coating to reduce friction, and the 6-speed gearbox comes with the excellent EAS 4.0 up and down quick shifter. But the real magic happens when you open the exhaust bypass valve. Suddenly, this adventure bike doesn't sound like an ADV, it sounds like a superbike. The 3-cylinder whale is addictive, emotional, and completely unique in the adventure segment. This is the soundtrack that makes riders smile inside their helmets. The chassis is a steel tubular parametral frame with a double cradle layout. It's designed to be stiff on the road and compliant off-road. The rear subframe is removable for easy maintenance, and the aluminum swing arm keeps weight low. Suspension is fully adjustable Sachs equipment, a 48mm upside-down fork and rear monoshock, both offering 210mm of wheel travel. Ground clearance is a very usable 230mm, and seat height can be adjusted between 850mm and 870mm. On the road, this setup is precise and confidence-inspiring. Off-road, it's surprisingly capable for a bike this beautiful. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema calipers biting on 320mm floating discs up front, the same calipers you'll find on superbikes. The rear uses a 265mm disc. Cornering ABS with rear lift mitigation, RLM, is standard, with 2 levels of intervention. You can completely disable it in off-road and custom modes. The result is a bike that feels much lighter than its 235 kilograms wet weight suggests. It changes direction with supernatural agility for an adventure motorcycle. Electronics are thoroughly modern. A 6-axis IMU powers 4 riding modes: urban, touring, off-road, and fully customizable custom all-terrain. You get 8 levels of traction control, adjustable engine braking, cruise control, launch control, and cornering ABS. The 7-inch HD TFT dashboard is crisp, bright, and fully customizable. It connects via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to the revised MV Ride App, which now offers turn-by-turn navigation displayed directly on the dash, trip recording with lean angle, speed, altitude, and the ability to create and share custom maps with the MV community. Ergonomics have been carefully developed. The riding triangle is spacious and comfortable for long highway days, yet upright and commanding when standing on the pegs off-road. The seat padding is excellent for both rider and passenger. Aerodynamics are excellent. The fairing and windscreen work together to reduce buffeting even at high speeds with luggage fitted. This is one of the few adventure bikes that feels equally at home, carving alpine passes at 200 km/h or exploring fire roads in the mountains. So after everything, is the 2026 MV Agusta Enduro Veloce worth it? Let's be honest, this motorcycle is not the most practical adventure bike in the world. It's not the cheapest to maintain long-term, and dropping it in deep mud will hurt your soul. But if you want the most beautiful, most emotional, and most exciting adventure motorcycle money can buy in 2026, nothing else even comes close. The combination of that screaming, counter-rotating triple, the stunning Italian design, the top-tier componentry, Brembo, Sachs, Bridgestone, the comprehensive electronics, the new standard equipment, and that incredible 5-year factory warranty at $15,998 makes the Enduro Veloce feel like a genuine bargain in the premium adventure segment. This is a motorcycle that doesn't just transport you from A to B, it makes every single ride an event. It makes you feel something. It makes you fall in love with motorcycling all over again. The 2026 MV Agusta Enduro Veloce isn't just an adventure bike. It's the adventure benchmark, the one every other manufacturer will be measured against for the next few years. If you have the means and the passion, this motorcycle deserves to be in your garage.